Introduced in SOLIDWORKS 2020, Detailing Mode provides a way to open massive drawings in seconds, but is not limited to just viewing the drawing. Viewing performance is super fast, thanks to the performance improvements added in SOLIDWORKS 2021. Detailing Mode allows you to perform typical detailing tasks, such as editing and adding dimensions and annotations. The model does not get loaded, so sharing drawing files is easy, but rest assured, the drawing views are intact and there is no loss of detail. For SOLIDWORKS 2021, Detailing Mode now supports editing of existing annotations such as notes and dimensions. Existing notes can be edited to add or remove information, and you have full access to all the annotation editing tools. The front view on this drawing is displayed as a broken view, with foreshortened dimensions to allow for a more concise display of the information, but the top view is not broken. Now, Detailing Mode supports broken views, crop views, and even detail views. Similar to the front view, let's break the top view in 3 places. All the break line styles are available, as well as the gap between the breaks. Ordinate dimensions are supported, and we can now add additional items to existing ordinate dimensions, such as these edges and center lines. Detail views can now be created in the same manner as you would when the drawing is fully resolved. Just draw the circle or choose a sketched profile and place the view. When detailing drawings, it's common to define hole information, and now in SOLIDWORKS 2021, Detailing Mode supports hole callouts, and foreshortened dimensions are applied when necessary. Existing dimensions now have full editing capability. For instance, the tolerance on the dimension between the holes is important for the function of the part. All the dimension properties are now available, including its tolerance and precision. The location of the first hole is not properly defined to the center of the hole. All the controls on every tab in the Dimension Property Manager are available, so we can define the arc condition of the dimension to the center of the hole. So as you can see, these new enhancements in SOLIDWORKS 2021 extends the capability of Detailing Mode to fully detail your drawings in record time, without having to load full drawings containing large assemblies, lots of sheets, many configurations, or resource-intensive views. But the enhancements to the drawing environment do not stop there. Regardless of how you open a drawing, the Dimension tool has been enhanced to make it easier to create dimensions. Notice that now the dimension text is transparent after the first selection, making it much easier to see the second selection. VDA balloons are frequently used in the German automotive industry and a requirement for many European customers. A new leader type is now available for balloons and notes to allow users to tag inspection points per VDA requirements. Position and rotation are easily manipulated, and these VDA balloons can be used directly by SOLIDWORKS Inspection. Finally, when working with sketch geometry on a drawing, it's common to add relations just as you would in the sketch environment. Previously, these relations were in the Property Manager, but now in SOLIDWORKS 2021, the Sketch Relations pop-up toolbar is available, allowing you to apply sketch relations with minimal mouse travel. Improvements in the drawing environment are always among the most popular enhancements with the SOLIDWORKS user base, and with SOLIDWORKS 2021, the tradition continues.